Hello crochet friends and welcome back to Yarn Over Hook. My name is Sammy and for today's video I'm going to show you how to do this twisted single crochet. This stitch looks quite familiar, doesn't it? That's because it looks like the crab stitch. It is an awesome alternative to the crab stitch that doesn't require you to work backwards in your stitches. I am so excited to show you how to do this beautiful border, so let's hop into it. To begin our twisted single crochet border, I definitely suggest going around your project in standard single crochet. This will give us a very nice foundation, which will create a nice and consistent border. Then from here, you'll slip stitch into that first single crochet of your standard single crochet, and then chain 1. I actually like to begin this border right into that single crochet that we did a slip stitch join into. So we'll insert our hook into that stitch, yarn over, and pull through. Once you pull through, give it a nice little tug to make that pull through loop a little longer. Then you are going to twist it. Super simple. You'll want to go counterclockwise. Counterclockwise this way. Just twisting those loops on your hook. Just like this. I'll do it one more time, very slowly. So if you are looking at your project like this, you'll simply twist your hook. In order to twist those loops on your hook. And then you'll yarn over and pull through both of those loops, just like you would be finishing a standard single crochet. That's our first twisted single crochet. Then you'll go into the next loop to bring that down. Oh, giving you that beautiful border. So let's go into the next stitch. So we'll insert our hook into that stitch, yarn over, and pull through. We're going to make that pull through loop a little taller. Twist our hook around. Yarn over and pull through those loops on our hook. When you pull up and stretch that loop, you want to be sure that you are pulling up the same length every single time. That will make your loops really nice and consistent, giving you this beautiful border. Let's do another one. We'll insert our hook into that next stitch, yarn over, and pull through. Give it a nice tug. Twist your hook counterclockwise. Yarn over and pull through those loops. And you'll just repeat those same steps all the way across, and I will meet you at the corner. Alrighty, we are at our first corner. You will do exactly the same thing. There's nothing special in this corner from this border, so we'll just insert our hook into that next stitch. Yarn over, pull through, give it a nice stretch, twist it around, yarn over, and pull through both of those loops. Into the next stitch, yarn over, and pull through. Give it a nice stretch, twist it around, yarn over, and pull through. And the last stitch of this corner, we'll insert our hook, yarn over, pull through, give it a nice little stretch, twist it around, yarn over, and pull through. And there we go. That's our corner. Definitely you want to pay attention to your tension here, just so that your twisted single crochet don't get too tight. And then on to the next stitch, the first stitch of our next side. So we'll just insert our hook, yarn over, pull through, give it a nice stretch, twist it around, yarn over, and pull through both of those loops on our hook. And then into the next stitch, yarn over, pull through, give it a nice stretch, twist it around, yarn over, and pull through. And we'll just continue that same thing all the way across, and I will meet you at the next corner. Alrighty, we are at our next corner. And once again, you're not going to do anything special here, just the same thing we've been doing. Insert your hook into that next stitch, yarn over, and pull through. Give it a nice tug, remembering we're in this corner, so we don't want to be too tight. Twist it around, yarn over, and pull through both loops on our hook. Insert our hook into that next stitch, yarn over, pull through. Give it a nice stretch, twist it around, yarn over, pull through both loops. And into that last stitch of our corner, insert our hook, yarn over, and pull through. Give it a nice stretch, twist it around, yarn over, and pull through both loops on our hook. And then into the next stitch of our next side. Insert our hook, yarn over, pull through, give it a nice stretch, twist it around, yarn over, and pull through both loops on our hook. And then the next stitch. This is oddly very satisfying. I really enjoy this border. Alrighty, so we're just going to continue that same pattern all the way around, and I will meet you at the end. Now, in order to end this border, you want to do a slip stitch into that chain 1 that we did. Doing a slip stitch into that chain 1 will kind of hide that join underneath that first twisted single crochet that we did. So we'll insert our hook right underneath that chain 1 that we did. Yarn over and pull through, and then pull through that loop on your hook. Pull it nice and tight. You'll fasten that off, weave that end in, and look at your border. This is so pretty. It is so nice and very similar to the crab stitch, but I don't know, I think I'm kind of liking this one a little bit more. Please let me know what you end up doing with this border. I cannot wait to hear all about it. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please hit that like button, subscribe, and ding the bell so that you know when we upload a new video. And we'll catch you in the next one. Bye! So what is Yarn Over Hook? Yarn Over Hook is a free social media for crocheters to create, learn, and connect with other crocheters from around the world. Join for free today at yarnoverhook.com and show us what's got you hooked.